To swap on Uniswap Subgraph, you need to understand the basics of Uniswap and its subgraph. Uniswap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to trade Ethereum-based tokens. The Uniswap subgraph is an indexing tool that makes it possible to query data from the Uniswap protocol. First, you need to connect to the Uniswap subgraph by visiting the Uniswap website and clicking on the Developers tab. Here you will find the subgraph URL, which you can use to query data from the Uniswap protocol. Next, you need to define the query you want to make. This can be done using the GraphQL query language. For example, if you want to get the current price of a token, you can use a query like this. You then need to send the query to the subgraph URL. This can be done using a tool like curl or a programming language like JavaScript. Once you have received the response from the subgraph, you can then use this data to make a swap. To make a swap, you need to have an Ethereum wallet and some Ethereum to pay for the transaction fees. You can then use the Uniswap protocol to make the swap. This can be done using the Uniswap website or a programming language like JavaScript. It is also important to note that there are risks involved with swapping on Uniswap. These risks include price volatility and smart contract risks. It is therefore important to do your own research and understand the risks before making a swap. In conclusion, swapping on Uniswap subgraph is a complex process that requires a good understanding of the Uniswap protocol and the subgraph. By following these steps and doing your own research, you can make informed decisions when swapping on Uniswap. Best practices include doing your own research and understanding the risks involved with swapping on Uniswap. It is also important to keep your Ethereum wallet and private keys safe. By following these best practices and understanding the process of swapping on Uniswap subgraph, you can make informed decisions and minimize the risks involved.